Good day, Faith friends! So, my name is Arkelly Milus and Malaluan, and welcome to another We Reflect series. So, I'm going to share the Gospel for today and the reflection for our Gospel for today. So, it's good to be back. To be honest, I was one of those constant sharers for this series and faith book back in the pandemic days. And it was a great time, though that was a challenging time for all of us, but it was a great opportunity for me to do, to take part in evangelizing. But it has been a long time since I last did this. And since it's my birth month, I am very glad and grateful to share with you the Gospel for today and the reflection for the Gospel for today. So, the Gospel for today is Matthew chapter 14 verses 13 to 21. This Gospel has been on repeat for a long time since I can remember. It's the story where I've heard it many times actually. It's the story where Jesus, coming from bad news, Jesus came to a land wherein natunugan ng mga tao yung pagpunta niya. At dahil naniniwala sila kay Jesus, may tiwala sila kay Jesus, at nagtitiwala silang mapagagaling sila ni Jesus, napakaraming mga tao, libu-libong mga tao ang nagpunta. Kaya nung natunugan nila na papunta si Jesus, naunahan pa nila siya doon. Pagdating ni Jesus doon, ayun, puno na, madami ng tao. Naawa siya dito sa mga ito, kaya pinagaling niya. Sa tunay lang, gusto rin niyang pakainin sila. Ngunit ang problema, 5 loaves lang and 2 fish ang available. But then, through Jesus' miracle, through His powers, through faith, He was able to provide for and feed the 5,000 men that were present in that land together with Him. So, this Gospel for today invites us to open our hearts to Jesus. Let us travel and grow closer to Him. Let us strengthen our faith in Him, and let us strengthen ourselves to keep ourselves trusting Him. Kahit gaano kahirap. Minsan, dumadating tayo sa punto ng buhay na napakahirap ng magtiwala sa Diyos. Kasi sinusubok tayo ng panahon, ng buhay, ng mga sitwasyon. Pero sa tunay lang, tanging ang Diyos lang ang makakatulong sa atin. Tanging ang Diyos lang ang kailangan natin. Siya ang makakapagbigay sa atin. So once we open ourselves, like the people in the story, they opened themselves to Jesus. And they believed in Jesus. They had great trust in Him. And for them, Jesus was significant and someone who could heal them. So because of that, biniyayaan sila ni Jesus. Jesus made the impossible possible. Because remember this. Remember the verse saying, with God, all things are possible. Nothing is impossible with Jesus. That's why let us always believe that, and let us always keep our faith stronger enough for Him, for us to bring ourselves closer to Him, for us to open ourselves to Him, open our hearts to Him, and for Him to bless us, and for us to receive those blessings in return. So, yan lamang po, and thank you for listening. Thank you for this opportunity again, Facebook, and I am very grateful for this opportunity, and thank you so much. That's all. I hope you learned something from this gospel, from this reflection. Before we end, Faith friends, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. this Facebook We Reflect series, and subscribe to Facebook channel and hit the notification bell for more gospel reflections like these. And also, please don't forget to visit our website www.faithbook.ph. That's all. Goodbye and thank you.